Okay, that was fun. So this is good panty water. Someone told me I looked like James Hatfield when I was, you know that picture I have of my long hair from my high school? The guy goes, you look like James Hatfield. I do?
That's not good, because James Hatfield looks like the Cowardly Lion.
The what?
The Cowardly Lion.
Oh, you know what? He does, oh. Yeah, he does. He does, oh, okay. But hey, bubbles.
Hey, wait, hang on, James, stop.
Oh, you want to get in?
Yeah, we're getting in now.
Nice, James.
9 volts. And it starts charging, so you have to buy a new battery soon.
It's got dual batteries in this thing.
Oh.
It's got a little motorcycle battery, and it's got a big battery. The motorcycle battery for the auto start and stop when you go to the red light, but I got that bypass. I hate that.
Oh, that is the
Freaking hate it.
stupidest thing
There
ever.
you go. Master line picker. Well done.
Picker? Nose picker? Did he say master nose
Those
picker?
down, too.
Master nose picker. Master nose
Just to
picker?
get in with your machinery.
He's a nose picker? Did he say nose picker?
Freaking mosquito.
Is it a mosquito?
Yeah,
That's what happens when I drive past tonight.
apparently.
Hey, someone with pee-pee. I don't want to get stuck. See that pee-pee spot? Right there? I don't want to get stuck, alright?
Okay, no pee-pee. Go. Round pee-pee. Should I leave that in the video?
I just don't want to get stuck in the mud, that's all. Oh, jeez, look at this one.
Oh, shit.
Look at this one.
Oh.
Hold on, I'm going to get over this rock right here, okay?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
There we go. Oh, wait, we're just going to get it, right?
No, you got it.
Oh, I
You got
did it. Okay, cool.
Yeah, I'd go left a little.
Well, I'm going to go, let me get up over this. There we go.
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I got only the back's locked, too, so that's... Look at this thing performing. Look at that.
All right, steady gas, steady gas.
No, but this thing performs so well. Oh, hiccuped about it.
Looks like the road right there.
You see a road rage?
Sure, that's the road right there, I think.
That's not a road. That's a road. Look.
No, it's there.
Oh, there's a road there?
Looks like it.
No.
Yeah.
Not a road
I
there.
think that's the road we came up when we came up here.
Oh, when we came up here?
The Alamo Road. You're right there.
Oh,
See?
okay. Is that the one?
Look up there. Looks like it. You see, it looks like a
Really?
railing.
No, that's a tree.
No.
That's a down tree right there.
No, no.
That's a down tree right there. You looking at that right there?
No, that's not a down tree.
That's a down tree, yeah.
All, no.
That's not a really, that's a tree. No, that's a tree.
No. Trees aren't perfectly straight.
Well, yeah, they are. They're beautiful. That's a tree. Yeah, that's a tree. I can see the bark on some parts.
It's a tree that's got, like, supports. No.
No, that's the branches.
No.
That's the branches.
I've got binoculars.
Get them out. Now.
I don't feel like it.
to get up behind the person in front of you and watch the line. Watch the line, Pascal. Take it.